Welcome back to the Luxury Car Zone channel. BMW is set to build a brand new high-end model for the American market at its Spartanburg, South Carolina factory. The flagship SUV has been indirectly mentioned this week by BMW chairman Oliver Zipse in an interview with CNBC. Without disclosing the model's identity, the 57-year-old executive briefly talked about another high-end car that will be announced towards the end of the year before entering production at the Spartanburg plant. The manufacturing facility in South Carolina is the place most BMW SUV name dwelling because the X3 by X6 fashions are constructed there along with their M variations and the flagship X7, which has additionally spawned an Alpina XB7. As for the upcoming product, Zipse mentioned it will not change in present product as it is going to be a brand new addition to the lineup, brand new mannequin. High-end for the American market, but in addition for the world market. Allegedly carrying the Undertaking Rockster codename, the brand new X8M or XM is rumored to characteristic a plug-in hybrid powertrain with a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine and an electrical motor to ship a mixed output of roughly 750 horsepower. We're listening to the identical PHEV setup is earmarked for the next generation M5. As far as styling is concerned, spy shots of camouflaged prototypes are quite worrying, although it's best to wait for the disguise to come off before judging the SUV appearance. We do know it will have stacked quad exhausts, split headlights, and a slightly more sloped roofline compared to the X7. Whether it will keep the latter's third row is not known, but if BMW wants the X8M or XM to be its most athletic SUV to date, it might forego the rearmost seats to shave off some weight. That would make sense since the sheer size of this thing along with the V8 PHEV setup suggest it will be quite a porker. Likely coming for the 2023 model year, the new range-topping BMW SUV will easily cost six figures considering the X7 M50i begins at $99,800 and the Alpina XB7 is $141,300. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for daily latest car review and news. See you in the next video.